Bollywood stars Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif are currently in Austria filming action sequences for their upcoming spy thriller Tiger 3. Salman and Katrina will be seen performing some visually extravagant action stunts in places such as Upper Austria, Salzkammergut, Dachstein, Salzkammergut, and finally in Vienna. A source from Austria said, Tiger 3 will present Austria like never before, and Yash Raj Films is ensuring that they present the country in the most spectacular way possible. Salman and Katrina will shoot in some never seen before locales in the country. They are currently shooting in the areas like Upper Austria, Salzkammergut, Dachstein, Salzkammergut, where they are filming some intense action sequences for the film. The source shared that the film's director Manish Sharma has a grand vision for Tiger 3, and Austria presents a perfect backdrop to Tiger and Zoya's journey and mission in the film. The source added, the country is vital to the plot and the screenplay of the film, and Manish is going all out to shoot some of the most spectacular sequences of the film in Austria. The two stars were earlier shooting in Turkey. Salman and Katrina even got a chance to meet the Minister of Culture and Tourism of Turkey, Mehmet Nuri Ilsoy. The third installment in the Tiger franchise, which is directed by Manish Sharma, was put on hold due to the global outbreak of COVID-19. The first installment, Ek Tha Tiger, directed by Kabir Khan, released in 2012. The second, Tiger Zinda Hai, released in 2017 and was directed by Ali Abbas Zafar. Filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt is celebrating his 73rd birthday today. A birthday bash was organized for the filmmaker by his family. Alia Bhatt took to Instagram to share a glimpse from the birthday celebration. She captioned the post, 73 years young, happy birthday Papa. Ranbir Kapoor and Pooja Bhatt marked their presence at the Bhatt's birthday party. Pooja too took to her Instagram handle to wish her father. Pooja shared two pictures from the birthday celebration and wrote, the birthday boy, but don't miss the setting girl. Alia is currently dating actor Ranbir Kapoor. The couple are often spotted together. Recently, Alia turned producer with her film Darlings, where she is seen acting opposite Shefali Shah. Her upcoming projects are Gangubai Kathiawadi, RRR, and Brahmastra. Gangubai Kathiawadi evolves on the life of Gangubai Kothewali, the madam of a brothel in Kamathipura, and is based on a chapter of Hussain Zaidi's book Mafia Queens of Mumbai. Besides Alia, the film also features Ajay Devgan and Vikrant Messi. In RRR, Alia will play a character called Sita. The film has Telugu stars Ram Charan and Junior NTR in a central role. Bollywood star Ajay Devgan is also part of the cast. While in Ayan Mukherjee's action fantasy drama Brahmastra, Alia Bhatt is paired opposite Ranbir Kapoor, Moni Roy, Amitabh Bachchan and superstar Nagarjun. Alia will also be seen opposite Ranveer Singh in Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani. The film is directed by Karan Johar. The film has a star-studded cast comprising veterans Dharmendra, Jaya Bachchan and Shabana Azmi. Alia is an avid social media user. She runs a vlog on YouTube on her name where she shares insights about her lifestyle. Taapsee Pannu starrer Rashmi Rocket is all set to arrive on streaming platform ZEE5 on October 15. Taapsee took to Instagram to share the news along with the new poster of the film. The new poster also features Priyanshu Penuli and Abhishek Banerjee. She wrote, ये चुनौतियों भरी रेस शुरू हो चुकी है और अब रावण दहन पे ही आके रुकेगी। बहुत कुछ नष्ट करना है रश्मि को इस साल। Get ready to run with Rashmi in this race on and off the track. She will need you in this one. Rashmi rocket ready to take off on 15th October 2021 only on ZEE5. In Rashmi Rocket, Taapsee plays a runner from the run of Kutch who fights for her identity and becomes an athlete. Priyanshu Penuli plays Taapsee's husband in the sports drama helmed by Akarsh Khurana. Taapsee's other acting projects include Shabash Mithu, Loop Lapeta, Blur and Annabelle Setupati. Shabash Mithu is based on the life of Indian women's ODI cricket team captain Mithali Durai Raj. Loop Lapeta is directed by Akash Bhatia. The film is the official Hindi remake of the 1998 released German film Run Lola Run. The film also stars Tahir Raj Bhasin. Blur will be helmed by director Ajay Behel, best known for his 2019 release Section 375. Film will be bankrolled by her newly announced production company Outsider Films. Taapsee said, Blur is the just kind of the script I was waiting for. I am delighted to be finally turning a producer with this film, and with the support of co-producers and team, I'm sure it's going to be an enriching journey. She added, collaborating with Ajay is as exciting as it gets as I have seen his work. He's the best to bring the gripping story of Blur on screen. In Annabelle Setupati, Taapsee will be sharing screen space with actor Vijay Setupati. The horror comedy is directed by Deepak Sundarajan. Annabelle Setupati also stars Radhika Sharat Kumar and Rajendra Prasad. The movie, which was shot in Jaipur, will have a direct OTT release on Disney Plus Hotstar. It will start streaming from September 11. The movie, which will release in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam, has been titled Annabelle Rathod in Hindi.
बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान ने गर्मजोशी के साथ गणपति बप्पा को विदाई दी। शाहरुख ने अपने घर से सेलिब्रेशन की एक झलक इंस्टाग्राम पर शेयर की। उन्होंने भगवान गणेश की एक तस्वीर साझा की। उन्होंने कैप्शन में लिखा, भगवान गणेश का आशीर्वाद हम सभी के साथ तब तक बना रहे जब तक हम उनका अगले साल फिर से स्वागत नहीं कर लेते। गणपति बप्पा मोरिया। शाहरुख खान हर साल अपने परिवार के साथ गणेश चतुर्थी मनाते हैं और अपने सोशल मीडिया पर अपने प्रशंसकों के साथ उत्सव के अपडेट साझा करते रहते हैं। काम की बात करें तो शाहरुख अपनी अगली फिल्म पठान की शूटिंग में व्यस्त हैं, जो एक एक्शन थ्रिलर है जिसमें दीपिका पादुकोण और जॉन अब्राहम भी हैं। फिल्म का निर्देशन सिद्धार्थ आनंद कर रहे हैं। शाहरुख खान और दीपिका पादुकोण अपनी आने वाली फिल्म के लिए स्पेन में एक गाने की शूटिंग करेंगे। दोनों न केवल स्पेन में अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म के महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सों की शूटिंग करेंगे, बल्कि वहां एक बड़े पैमाने पर घुड़सवार गाने की शूटिंग भी करेंगे। एक सूत्र ने कहा, किसी भी बॉलीवुड फिल्म ने कभी भी इन जगहों पर गाने के दृश्यों की शूटिंग नहीं की है। सिड आनंद स्पेन में एक गाने की शूटिंग करेंगे और सभी संभावित लीक को नियंत्रित करने के लिए चीजें पूरी तरह से व्यवस्थित की जा रही हैं। इरादा एक ऐसा गाना बनाने का है जो इतना भव्य हो कि यह तुरंत हिट हो जाए। स्पेन में शूटिंग के आसान अनुभव के लिए सभी आवश्यक अनुमतियों पर काम किया जा रहा है। सूत्र ने कहा, सिड आनंद और आदित्य चोपड़ा भारतीय सिनेमा को विश्व मानचित्र पर फिर से परिभाषित करना चाहते हैं और इस लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए हर संभव प्रयास किया जा रहा है। फिल्म के बारे में अन्य विवरणों का अभी खुलासा नहीं किया गया है। फैंस को भी शाहरुख की आगामी फिल्म का बेसब्री से इंतजार है। लोग उन्हें पर्दे पर एक बार फिर से देखने के लिए काफी उत्साहित हैं।
Now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.